guys, today I am going to be testing out the KeraColor Color Plus Clenditioner. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Clenditioner. I'm also going to put a little bit of Olaplex on my ends because your girl's hair is fried. So here's my hair. It's very light, as you can tell. Lots and lots of bleach. Lots of bleach, lots of damage. Um, I live in the south, so my hair gets really humid here. I don't like my hair gets frizzy because of the humidity. I don't know how to combat it, so whatever. Today I am trying out the platinum color and I am also using the purple. I'm going to do mainly platinum all over my hair and then a few peekaboos of purple. So I actually wet my hair just a little bit with a spray bottle just because my hair is so porous. I didn't know how dark, how much it was going to take the color. So that's the platinum. It's got a nice little lavender lilac tint. And I know I kind of put it on sloppy, but whatever. Just doing it in my living room. Now, typically you don't really want to brush through wet hair, but if you're doing it gently and using like a soft brush, it's not that big of a deal. Or, just soft strokes. Now this is the purple on its own, but I knew it was going to go really dark on my hair, so I actually mixed a little bit of the platinum in with it, and I was surprised at how dark it came out. It stays this dark, and not the cleanest application right there. But I was just messing around, just testing it out. So I left it on for about 10 minutes. So you can see my application's very sloppy. I just did a few dark purple peekaboos and mostly the platinum all over. And then I rinsed it out and it goes where you put it. So I didn't even need foils. It just stayed there. I know it doesn't look that great, but after I blow dry it and stuff, it looks a lot better. So I just let my hair air dry, and it made my hair very shiny, and the Olaplex made my hair really soft too. I know it still looks like straw, like hay, but whatever. And before you roast me, I don't even have this color hair anymore, so yeah. This is after going to sleep. I just went to bed with my hair damp because I wanted to give you guys like a full effect, like wet hair, dry hair, whatever. And my hair's so soft, and this is a simple blow dry. And like I said, I live in the south, so this humidity is no joke. I'll get my hair bone straight, totally straight, step outside, and just poof, right back up. I'm a huge fan of the InStyler, by the way. I have a couple videos about it. I love my InStyler. I've had it for like 8 years. It's awesome. But yeah, overall, I would say I loved this product, this Clenditioner stuff. I didn't even tone my hair. There's no toner at all. This is just purely that shampoo, conditioner thing, whatever it is. It's Clenditioner, so I guess it's a cleansing color. I think it's meant to replace your actual shampoo and conditioner. Not really sure, but that's kind of what I did. And now here, this is actually a few days later because I wanted to give you guys like the full experience, and it actually lasts a really long time. Um, I would say it lasts at least like 5 shampoos. Everybody's hair is kind of different, but for me, it definitely soaks into the ends a lot. Like the darker colors will hold on to my ends since my ends are so dry, but it really stays on until you just use regular shampoo. And I find that Head and Shoulders is the best thing to remove colors that you don't want anymore, like just temporary ones. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you liked it, and you should test it out. Oh, also, this stuff smells bomb. It is like grape cotton candy, amazing. And stay tuned to check out some more hair disasters. Okay, bye!